Good morning, everyone. This is Papa Guac here. Gonna do a crash course on replacing, sharpening a lawnmower blade. Um, I had a bit of a time trying to get the blade off, um, and the bolt was locked. So I saw a guy online that suggested using uh, acetone nail polish um, with automatic transmission fluid. Um, I didn't have either one of those. Acetone being fingernail polish remover, just in case. So I kind of looked around my shed and tried to figure out what I could use that could possibly break this um, bolt loose. And what I ended up coming up with was vinegar with power steering fluid. So here I made a mix, 50-50, power steering fluid and vinegar. And I put it on, and I use this 5/8 ratchet, wrench, and I also use this bar for leverage, this pole for leverage. And I got that bolt loose. It came right loose, no problem. 1, 2, 3. Now, the day before, I did the same thing, but I used WD-40 and had no luck. It's the exact same thing with the pole for like extra leverage, and I could not get this thing loose at all. It was locked on there good. But the vinegar mixed with power steering fluid actually was able to allow it to come loose. Now keep in mind, the guy that I watched on YouTube was using acetone, aka fingernail polish remover, along with automatic transmission fluid. I would probably recommend going that route. But I mean, if you look around your garage and you don't have those things, and don't feel like going out to the store, and if you happen to have some vinegar in your kitchen, and maybe some power steering fluid, most people will have that more handy than they have transmission fluid. You can whip up a batch of that, and then put it on there, leave it sit for a couple of minutes, and then that sucker will just come right off. Now you notice I got a piece of wood there, so when you're removing a blade, you're going to want a piece of wood there to kind of add extra support to the blade, so that it's not moving around when you're trying to take it off. And you want to be careful, that it don't slip, because you don't want that blade spinning around there and lawn mowering you. So, but there's my little trick. Vinegar with power steering fluid. So I took it off, and attached with this, I had the before and after picture of the blade itself, where I sharpened it, got the blade nice and sharp, did it on both sides, sharpened both sides of it, so I should be getting a nice good cut. Prior, when I was mowing the grass, it was just kind of like the blade was so dull, it was just pushing the grass down, it was matting it down, so I had to do it twice. And it's starting to get really hot out here, and I don't want to be mowing my stuff twice, to get it to look good. So anyway, I got this blade off, got it sharpened up, and Lord willing, it's not going to push the the grass down, it's gonna cut the grass, because that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to cut the grass. So anyway, I hope this little tip comes in handy for anybody working on their lawnmowers watching this video. And I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and all that fun stuff. And I really truly appreciate you watching this video. I had a lot of fun making this video. I learned something new. I hope you learned something new. And like I say, this was a lot of fun. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hope everybody has a really great day. And we'll be seeing you around. Bye now.